Take a look at the street rod here, Unique Specialty and Classics. Kind of going after that stock look, but yet nicely modified. 1947 Mercury 8 Coupe, 351 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, vintage AC. And take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. Mercury front end. Not going to see one like these every day. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can take your time looking this one over. Probably close to 100 pictures of this online, undersides, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let's get a good look at the hood. Paint on this, kind of a medium to dark blue. It's a little on the darker side, and then it has a nice two-tone neutral and blue interior to it. Bucket seats, center console, and we'll get into that in just a little bit. Riding on wide whites, and those are radial tires, and a great contrasting red wheel, beauty rings, Mercury 8 center caps. Take a peek at the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side too, open that up, take a little closer look at it. FYI, these are stationary to get into the car, key fob and or wing window to open up the door latch inside. It actually has power windows, and the power windows are on a key fob and work and can go up and down. Another way you can roll the window up and down to get into it, so quite a few different ways there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the bright work, the rear of this car. The bright work really shows well on it. No doubt about that. Power seats both sides, FYI. Tilt column, Flowmaster exhaust on it. You'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. Check out the exhaust. Underside pics of this. Again, interior engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Look up and down the driver's side of it. You can see the paint has a nice luster to it. Reflection coming off of the paint. And let's go ahead and take a peek at this interior. Again, I did say it was power seats both sides. Something I wanted to mention, if they have it flipped upside down or not. But backwards is actually forwards, forwards into the back. No big deal, but they do work. Just wanted to make a note of that. Nice matching door panels to the seats, and really not showing much wear really at all in the seating area. The bolster, hold down the armrest in the back. You got grandkids or friends, you want to go any local roll-ins, cruise-ins, fun car to do it in. Headliner, good shape. And there's that center console with the power window switches on that. Now, one other thing I want to mention is the underneath. First of all, this is the hood, so you get a hood release right there, and then lights, wipers. Take a look at the gauges. They're VDO gauges. JVC stereo. And then underneath is to the, let's see, was it to the left? To the right of the steering column. If I can find it back now. There's also a power vent right out here for the cowl vent. Just like that. You want to get a little air in. Of course, the vintage AC controls over here. Stereo does work. I don't have a station with a reception, but I did earlier, and the stereo does work. Turn that down for now. All right, anything else about this wiper switch up here? And I believe I saw tilt earlier. This one I don't believe is a tilt column, FYI. I don't see the blinkers are on, but not the tilt. All right, let me go ahead and fire this up for you. That 351 V8. Take a look at these gauges. Fuel gauge appears to work. Bolts do. Oil pressure, temp gauge does not. All right. What else? Tachometer over here is in working order. And wipers did work also. Horn, working order. Slip around to the back of this and here, run. Nice sounding car too. Nothing over the top as far as obnoxious or big crazy cam or anything like that. But just nice, classy sound. Really goes with the car well. Again, they kind of kept that stock look on the outside, but many modern amenities on this one. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me a couple hands to get this hood up, prop rod in, and I want to show you the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Hood propped open. That 351. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. 351 Windsor, by the way. Edelbrock carb. Nice smooth running engine. Electric fan. Nice setup. Good looking engine bay, smooth running, 351. There you go, 1947 Mercury 8 Coupe. Nicely street rotted. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle is available for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call